Okay, let's go and have a look at the aftermath, shall we? Walking down the stairs. This is like half an hour later, after the hailstorm. I was packed. Wait till you get to the road. Yeah, there's all the hail. Check out the size of them. Oh, it's much bigger than this when the hail was going on. Check out the size of that. Wouldn't want one of them bloody shooting into you while you're walking, would you? Oh wait, just go and check out the road. Have a look what it's done to the trees. Put the smoke out. Yeah, check this out. All these leaves. Yeah, and check out the Burger King petrol station. Yeah. And some power right there. Oh, let's go down here. Oh, and there's more bloody leaves scattered all over. Shit, I'm checking out this shit. Look at all that. So, damage left behind. Oh yeah, check out this car covered in leaves. Yeah. So that was a intense hour of power. Alright. Keep you informed. It happened twice actually. First one went for like about 15 minutes. Oh wait, check this out. Holes in the spoutage up here. Yeah, the hail was that strong. Alright. I'll have a look at the BK car park, shall we? Oh, yeah. Go upstairs and have a look. Over and out.